We just wanted to do a quick video on smoke detectors. It's a typical smoke detector. You open up the side, and there's your battery. Just swap out your battery, put it back in. You're good to go for another 6 months to a year. Another thing we wanted you to look at is when you pull it off, you're going to want to look at the date code that's on there. If it's older than 10 years from the current date, so this is actually already 5 years old, this is really only good for 5 more years. After 10 years, you need to replace any smoke detector that's aged out. And that's the manufacturer's recommendation. It's chirping, you put a battery in, it keeps chirping. Might be time to check that date and replace it.